Hey there everybody, it's Mark Crilley. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be working on a papercraft project that I think you all will find pretty interesting. I've made a little mock-up of it to try to show you in advance what it is I'm creating. So I'm going to create two walls and a floor that look like the interior of an art museum, including this guy who is very carefully studying a piece of art. And I've cut out this section so that almost anything can be put on the other side of that, and it will look as if that is the work of art. But what's really going to be fun about it for me, I think, is that we can begin going out into the outside world and turning almost anything I come across into the work of art. But what I'm going to do, because this is going to be pretty time consuming, I'm going to do the entire process in time lapse this time. You're going to see me working on the walls and the character and all this different stuff, kind of assembling it. And then once I'm done creating it, you can join me as I go out into the world and try to turn things into modern art. All right, well, we are almost ready to put this together. This is, of course, the floor section here, and I thought I'd show you with my little art enthusiast fellow that I did put a little bit of a support back here behind him to make him stand up and not flop around too much. Probably going to attach him to the floor right around here with tape or something like that. But I wanted to show you this far edge of the art museum. I decided to add a little pedestal almost for putting a piece of modern art sculpture to help sell this idea of the interior of an art museum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this to a different part of my home, assemble it, try to come up with something that looks like a modern sculpture of some kind, and then we will be ready to take this into the great outdoors. Okay, well, here is the finished diorama taped into place, got him in here nice and solid, and this piece of metallic sculpture you see here is actually just a folded up piece of aluminum foil. But I think it's going to do the job. And actually my concept here is to be able to turn this sideways, like so. And then I'm going to just go ahead and lift the camera up here, if you'll bear with me. Anything that he sees through that rectangle becomes the work of art that he is studying. And I think it's going to get extra fun when we go outside and start finding just how many different things I can turn into modern art. Is it rust? Or is it art? Broken glass. Some people say it's an eyesore. Not me. I think it's an opportunity. You know, for years I worked in oil paints and acrylics, but lately I'm getting more into concrete. Concrete and rust, actually. That combination has been working real well for me lately. This one at first I was going to call it Rizzo, and then I thought maybe Services would be better. In the end, I settled on Purvis. And here we have my composition in orange and white. People ask, you know, there's this area of discoloration. They asked about that, and I'm like, oh no, that's there. That's on purpose. That's part of it. You know, even as a devoted minimalist, I think I might have gone a little too far with this one. Let me know what you think. And here's my composition in yellow and black. Had a lot of collectors asking me about this one, but it's not for sale. And last but not least, we have this one called Chibi. And I guess that's where I should probably wind things down. Thanks so much for watching this video, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be back with another one real soon.